Hello, good evening, everybody. So today we are coming with our third topic, which is Agnipath scheme protest. What was in that? As you know, that government always comes with many schemes in India, and in this scheme, Agnipath scheme protest was what was that? There was tour of duty style scheme, like that was why it is called tour, because as you know that what is tour, when we go somewhere for the certain period. Okay, there is not the tour is never for the always fixed period, sorry, for the long period. This is also for fixed period, which that's why we call it tour. So what was in that, they did that they have fixed the age, they have fixed the tenure. What government has fixed the age and tenure of the like भर्ती होने के लिए in the government they have fixed the age and tenure, like in the CRPF, BSF and CAPF they have done that. So the people was not happy with that, but by the government did that because of the because as you know in COVID time nobody has a employment, and everybody has to work with the work from home, as we have done also. So they had to do that. So now government came with their new policies, which was Agnipath scheme, and in that they fixed the period, as I told you. So the people protested, because if there is a four year fixed period, then how the after what they will do, like after completing the tenure of that. As you know that after 15 plus I think 15 plus eligibility was there to go in that, but after 4 year, but when they are like able to do something, they will be retired, and there is no pension, no retirement, nothing will be there to given to them. There was only the service of that time, that was high paid, but as you know that this amount cannot be sufficient for the lifetime. Okay, so that was a main issue. So the people protested on that, and the changes were what was the change in that? They increased the age limit 21 to 23. Okay, and reservation also came in that, 10% in the defense ministry job, CAPF, Assam. Yeah, Assam relief was provided. Assam relief was because it was mainly in the Assam which was provided. As you know, in the if we see our CRPF and BSF, there was south northeast people are most, because of that there was run in Assam. And the last one, upper age limit was fixed to the 26. Okay, so this was our third video, which was in Agnipath scheme protest, and how it has drastically changed our democratic system in India. So please do like in the comment, and tell me if is there anything which you don't understand.